Okay, CT3. I think physics on 15th Monday. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your second exam is physics. What about first exam? Basic civil and mechanical engineering. Have the paper or basic electrical? Which one?
Basic electrical, sir.
So basic electrical on 12th. So that is a 9 to 11, 2-hour duration in code tantra, 120 minutes. So most probably your question paper pattern is 45 MCQs, 45 marks. Then the 10 3 more questions. So you write it in the A4 sheet and immediately upload the answers. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that is the pattern for the CT3. This is the pattern. 45 marks MCQ, remaining 30 marks for descriptive type. 3 marks each question. 3 marks. There are 10 questions. So you write the answers in the A4 sheet and take the photo immediately by using a mobile phone. You take the photo and upload in that Code Tantra platform. Okay.
So the 3-mark questions would be theory based or numericals?
Theory, numerical, both are coming. The most probably theory will come. At least 1 or 2 problems will come, but mostly
Okay.
theory based. Mostly theory only.
Okay.
Yes. Mostly theory. Okay. Practical, the discussion is going on. Say that model practical is also similar to this one. I think 25 MCQs or 30, 35 MCQs. The remaining 10 to 50 marks for uploading the calculations. We will do some questions. And there are 12 experiments. Okay, some questions we will give. You do the calculations and upload in the GCR. Okay, that discussion is going on. So most probably MCQ is there. There's no doubt. 30 to 40 marks MCQ. That 10 mark goes to calculation. So like that, you will discussion is going on. So you will confirm within 2 or 3 days. No problem. Okay, next week. So after 18th, you will confirm. Okay.
So you will share now Viva questions.
Not Viva, yeah. No Viva questions. No Viva. That MCQ questions.
Only
Then
MCQs will be there.
no. For practical MCQ as well as descriptive. Descriptive means calculations. See, already have 12 experiments, no? For example, we'll give the readings. Based on the readings, you will do the calculations and upload the results in the GCR. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, for example, solar cell means you will give the reading, you draw the diagram like that, or simply Hall effect. So you will give some 2 readings, 2 or 3 readings. You go to calculate the Hall coefficient, take the mean value. By using that value, you go to calculate mobility and the charge carrier density and upload the readings in the GCR like that. The discussion is
The
going on.
graph will be there also.
Graph or sometimes I think most probably graph is not coming. Calculation part, only calculation part.
Sir, there will be no Viva?
I think Viva is not there because it is too difficult to conduct the Viva like that. Your discussion is going on, but anyway, that is not the final decision. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After 18th only, you will go to confirm what is the practicals. Theory, I think the same, the 45 MCQs and 10 3-mark questions, descriptive type questions. Confirm your patterns. Okay, anyway, I go to confirm your practical examination pattern, both model as well as your university exam patterns. So definitely the next lab session you will confirm, no problem. Then please all of you go to prepare for your model practicals. See, there's no question bank here. Okay, please understand, no question bank. The MCQs will come. That is based on the aim. That is the reason I'm telling all the experiments. So please all of you go to read the aim, what are the apparatus required, especially formula, give the importance to formula and principles, and procedure. Okay, anyway, you go a little bit, you go to know the procedures, but unit, that each and every quantity, the unit is also very important. Okay, so these are the questions only they are asking like this only. Already I told, for example, in this experiment, powder XRD, what type of questions they will ask. So simply which law, for example, you say that is a powder XRD, a pattern. So this is based on the Bragg's law. So simply they go to ask. So what is the basic principle behind this powder XRD diffraction? So that is based on the Bragg's law. So they will give the four options. At least we go to choose which one is correct like that. Okay. So please understand the questions only like this only. And similarly, they're asking what is the wavelength of copper K alpha radiation using for the powder X-ray diffraction experiment. So that is 1.5405 angstrom unit. That value is very important. So simply they go to ask the values in observation that multiple choice question. You remember that value 1.5405 angstrom unit, and all the constants values you must know. Planck's constant, charge of electron, okay, the mass of electrons. These constant values at least you know. Sometimes they are asking the constant values also, because you know that E values and how you go to convert into electron volt. So how you go to take into joules. So the questions are coming like that. So because in the 4-point probe technique and the post office box, you write the readings in EVs, electron volt. So how you go to convert that electron volt? Simply they will give you some readings and write the corresponding readings in the EV, electron volt. They give you some four options. So questions coming in any part of the experiment, please understand, you go to take all the 12 experiments because they are equally distributed. So simply each experiment, minimum they will ask 4 multiple choice questions. So 12 experiments, so definitely you will get 48 questions, or sometimes you get 50 minutes, 50 or 25 minutes. Each lab, at least you get 2 questions for practical. So 24 questions are all there. That's what I'm telling you. You go to give the importance to all the experiments. You don't say, sir, I prepared only the first 3 experiments. That is not correct. Each and that is a pattern. Yeah, they will give equal weight. Then why you go to take all the experiments? So all the 12 experiments already we did. Definitely the question equally they distributed the questions. Whether it is 25 MCQ or 50 MCQ or 40 MCQ. Anyway, that distribution is almost the same. Okay.